Welcome to Berkeley Book's Time Management Workshop, Lesson 3, Picking the Perfect Planner. In this course, you'll learn how to manage your time more effectively, use prompts to focus on strategies, and be encouraged to set and achieve your goals. The first lesson focused on getting your to-do list out of your head and onto paper in a prioritized order. The second lesson looked at accomplishing them within a set time frame. You'll find both videos on our YouTube channel. This third lesson is about picking the perfect planner. Why spend a whole lesson on planners? Because you have to organize your to-do list items somewhere. That's where your planner comes in. To complete the exercises that follow, you'll need our companion workbook on time management, our anytime planner, or your own materials. Dwight Eisenhower once said, "Plans are nothing. Planning is everything." As the American general who executed the Allied victory in Europe to end the Second World War there, Eisenhower knows a thing or two about the importance of planning for success. An important piece to successful planning is the planner you use. Have you ever gone into a store and picked out a planner you thought would be perfect for you throughout the year?
It's perfect.
But it turned out you only used it for a few months? Maybe it had a cute cover, inspiring quotes,
I love that quote.
a compact size,
It fits right in my purse.
or other features you thought were terrific at the time.
I'll use it every day.
But when it came time to actually use the planner, it wasn't really what you needed. It may surprise you that choosing a planner isn't exactly a simple decision. This is because there are many planner features and many personal needs and preferences that make the options seem endless. Fortunately, all it takes is some thinking about what your needs, wants, and preferences are to find the planner that is right for you. You may need to do a bit of shopping around. It might also take some trial and error until you find the one that's perfect for you. In my case, I created my own planner, the Anytime Planner, which is available on our website, bookswv.com. But there are many planners out there for many types of people. If you're looking for a fast answer, here's the recommendation I give to people taking my time management course. Use a simple paper planner with a monthly view, like this one from my Anytime Planner. This is an ideal space for scheduling tasks into manageable daily time frames. Note: we'll cover scheduling tasks in your planner in a future lesson. Now, let's get into the heart of this lesson, brainstorming what kind of planner you need. Considering this planner will be your companion for the next year or more, it's worth it to spend a few minutes thinking about what you need and want. Knowing this should make it easier for you to narrow down your options and pick the perfect planner. Answer the following questions to discover what type of planner you really need. Pause or slow down the video if you need more time to answer. Start by thinking about past planners you've had. What features worked best for you? Which ones did not? Maybe there were some you really liked and others you couldn't stand. Jot those features down now. The things you like indicate features you might be looking for in your next planner. Now think about the format you need. Planners and calendars can be hung on your wall, fully digital, bound like a book, or enclosed in a portfolio. They can also lay or sit on your desk. Which do you need or prefer? Do you need to share your calendar? Maybe you share a calendar with your spouse who prefers a digital format to be compatible with a mobile device or smartwatch notifications. In that case, you might pick an all-digital planner app or the calendar built into your email service. Maybe you want to see all family members' schedules in a central place, like a chalkboard near the front door or a whiteboard on the refrigerator. Make it a focal point of your home, maybe an attractive home feature, something the whole family can see and use. Maybe you need more than one planner, such as one for work or home and one for school or social schedules. It's certainly okay to have more than one planner if it helps you stay organized. Maybe you simply have a personal preference for a certain format, like a desk calendar whose pages you tear off each day. I personally don't like them because I feel obligated to do something with it every day. I tell people not to buy them for me as a gift.
Merry Christmas. Gee, thanks.
Because it gives me an energy drain each day. We'll talk more about energy drains in a future lesson. Next, think about the interior space you need to write your appointments down. If you're going with a paper planner, do you need room to write details for appointments? Or will you only need room to write the start time and a short name for the appointment? Do you plan your activities by the hour, day, week, or month, or a combination? Some planners even come in 15 and 30-minute blocks of time for more detailed scheduling. When does your week start? Most calendars start the week on Sunday, but some start on Monday. Personally, I prefer a Monday start so that I can group my weekend activities together. What if your work week starts on Fridays? You may want a planner that reflects that. Finally, do you need a little or a lot of room to write in activities for your weekend days? Some planners scrunch Saturdays and Sundays together, but if you need more room, then look for a planner that separates them into full days. Now think about the exterior you need to keep yourself organized. Do you need a durable cover like plastic or cardboard? Maybe you prefer a soft leather cover or one with a pretty design on it. Or maybe you want something in between, like canvas. Binding for planners includes staples, plastic comb, wire spiral, 3 metal rings, and portfolios with pockets. Do you prefer one over the other? It may depend on what, if anything, you'll put with your planner. Will you store papers or other items with it? Do you need pockets for things like school papers or coupons, a calculator or places for credit cards or business cards? Finally, what size do you need? Does your planner need to fit in your pocket, purse, briefcase, or book bag? Of course, the more options you select, the higher the price of your planner. So what is your price range? Your price will increase if you choose features like designer name brand products, accessories to complement your planner like matching clips and tabbed dividers, and more durable or inclusive products, such as those with more pockets or refill pages. You can find inexpensive planners at dollar stores, mid-range planners at discount retailers, and higher-end planners at office supply and designer stores. That said, you may do what I did and decide that you need a customizable planner. If so, think about how you'll customize it and make it to suit your every need. Finally, what other features do you need or want in your planner? Pictures of cute animals or natural scenery, inspiring quotes or funny jokes, daily facts, trivia, or vocabulary, a way to track your goals or health. These are all great ways to personalize your planner, and they make picking a planner fun. Can you think of any other things to consider when picking the perfect planner? If so, please share them by leaving us a kind comment. There certainly are lots of things to consider when choosing your planner. There are many planner options out there, but there's no need to feel overwhelmed. It all begins with determining your purpose, needs, and wants. Then factor in your tastes, style, and preferences. Search online, visit an office supply or craft store, check out our website, or make your own planner like I did. Once you pick your perfect planner, come back here to watch the 4th lesson in our time management series. We'll start putting that planner to good use. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos and books on time management and more. Stay in touch so you won't miss out. Sign up for our free e-newsletter at bookswv.substack.com. Each month, you'll get our latest releases, event news, promotions, and inspiration for writers, readers, students, and educators. Follow us on social media. We're on x.com, Substack Notes, and YouTube. Purchase our products on Amazon and Kindle, Lulu, and Etsy. And visit us in person at special events where you can meet our authors and get your books signed. Finally, subscribe to our channel and take a moment to help our growing channel with a kind comment. Like and share.
Now go. Stop planning.